Finish the entire video. We are now ready to export. A common misconception here is that your project file, which is in your project files folder, is a video. It's not. It's notes on the actual video that you did. So we took a whole bunch of stuff, imported it, set in points, out points, put our graphics in. This is all piece of the project file. We need to export to actually get a .mov or a .mp4. This is how you do it. Go to File, Export, File, Export, inside of Premiere Pro. Notice how I was in QuickTime. You have to see Premiere Pro here, right here. File, Export, Media, or you can press Command M. Once that happens, you're going to do two things. One, you're going to scrub through, make sure that you have the entire thing here because you want the entire source. The reason why you want to scrub through is that sometimes you only have your source input output. So it doesn't export the entire thing. The other thing is sometimes you put clips at the end of your sequence and it's like a bunch of black and then that one clip right here. So scrub through here, make sure it all looks good here. Next, you're going to actually name it. So this is going to be Special Report, Northampton Open Media Support. Then you're going to choose the location, just like we did for our creation of our Premiere Pro project. We're going to go to our camp, our season, week, the actual finished videos folder, and then hit save. Once you do that, then you can export. If you see that there's something wrong, you can change the preset format. We always do match source, adaptive high bit rate, and H.264. But if you have any problems, try to re-export as a as a QuickTime file, a .mov. Okay, so first H.264. If that doesn't work, .mov as a QuickTime.